gonna do it.
Go number 8. Go number 8. And it stops.
Where do you think it's gonna wind up on Bus Tracker? Now approaching certain doom.
Maybe this explains why it's always late.
Can you go get milk?
You want to? Just go to 7-Eleven. Well, the
If it
car's
starts-
like, I'm worried about the car.
Really?
Did you hear what the brakes were doing?
I think it was because we're going so like downhill and it was so wet.
Well, we could totally walk to 7-Eleven at this point. You want to? Come on, bus. I want to see lightning strike Sears Tower. I don't think it's gonna happen though. Probably strike us first.
Ooh, there it goes. Look, look. Oh, look it. Look, it has those things.
It has what?
You gotta go faster than that. Oh, look, look, look.
No way. It's like crap, my friend did it. Wow.
It's still raining.
So that's pretty cool.